Hey guys, it's Rebel Center, and today I've got an unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at the Tile Slim. This was released about 2 years ago. Tile hasn't released their new tile as of yet this year, so I picked this up. Last year they released a new tile. It was called the Tile Sport and the Tile Style. It was one of the same form factor as the original tile, but just a little bit more rugged for the sport and a little bit more stylish for the style, of course. But here we got the one that came before that, which was the Mate and the Slim. They still sell them to this day, but I think it's a great thing to have. The Sport and the Style were more for a keychain, but the Slim is more for a wallet, something it's really tiny. You can put on a computer, anything really. So I picked this up from Micro Center Mall, my local Micro Center. And I was kind of thinking, it's regular $30, but I was like, dang, $15. I was like, well, maybe I can order it online. But come to know, this was only an in-store offer, so I picked it up for around $15. I was like, sweet, that's not bad at all. $15 off a tile, that's a pretty good deal to me. So yeah, this runs off of Bluetooth. It's pretty cool. Put in your wallet, phone, anything, doesn't really matter. Backpack, briefcase, anything. If you can put it there, it'll work. So of course this runs off of Bluetooth. That has like a year-long battery. And then after that, you can recycle it through their website, or through your local Best Buy, and I think you're able to get like 40% off your next tile when you buy one, which is really great that they do that. Basically keeps you within the tile ecosystem. But other than that, we'll just go ahead and take a look around. So here's the back. Just tells you a little bit more about the tile and finding it and stuff like that. This is available in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So all you got to do is cut the tape on both sides, and it slides right out, and you're met with tile. Just basically a plain white box. And you're just going to open it up, and right immediately you're met with tile. So we'll go ahead and pop it out. It's really thin. Probably one of the thinnest pieces of electronics I've ever owned, really. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here we've just got some information packets on the back. We've got a quick start guide, how to set it up. It's in multiple languages. We've got English, Spanish, all your typical. And then of course the tileapp.com if you want to go check it out. And of course we've got some regulatory information and hardware limited warranty information as well. So moving on from that, so that's basically about it. The tile, again, pretty cool. Just if you do that, and then you'll basically download the app and it'll tell you everything from there. Totally works off of Bluetooth. So hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.